Here it is. The new album finally will be out on Monday, July 17th. Hopefully, if all goes well. It's our first time with doing an album on our own, not with a record label. So anyway, it's called Tocamos, and some of you might be wondering what that means. Tocamos in Spanish, in this context, means we play. And this album is a tribute to my hometown, Miami, South Florida, and to all of the incredible musicians from all over the world that I have been lucky enough to play with over the years. So we really hope that you enjoy. I'll be posting a little more about the other songs. Anyway, enjoy Tocamos.